9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. 'Cause I don't wanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Riri from Texas. I am going to show you how I apply my liquid eyeliner to the top of my eyes to create my perfect wing. I'm a little sketchy, y'all, because I'm at the end of my favorite liner. It's by It's Cosmetic. I think it's called Superhero. I'm just at the end. So I take my compact mirror and I always like to look down into it. I shake it down and I'm just going to start at the bottom. I like to do an outline from the bottom, outline at the top, and just fill it in. Yeah, I'm running out a little bit. So when you first get this, you probably could just shake it once and then do your whole eye. But me, Y'all know your girl love a long wing, but today I'm just doing a neutral, subtle look, so I opted out for a shorter wing, but I think it looks really good. We really killed this. This is a good beginner-friendly eyeliner. I know it's like $25, so I don't know how affordable it is, but like, yes, sis, let's go. All right, if this video helped you in any way, make sure you like, share, and comment, and subscribe to your girl because I got more videos coming for you. I will see you in my next video. It's your girl Riri from Texas. I'm signing out.